Workout 2, strength and flexibility workout for my calisthenics work today. So I'm doing straight arm scapular strength, working towards a planche and front lever, and I'm also doing leg strength. So I'm going to be doing split squats today to maintain leg strength and keep increasing flexibility. And I'm also going to be doing some compression strength for hamstring flexibility, also some hamstring flexibility and hamstring strength. So it's a good workout and I'm feeling pretty good today. I don't feel like I need to do too much foam rolling, which is why I'm not spending a lot of time on any of these positions. I'm just cranking through it. I will do a little bit of a hip flexor release here on the psoas. Oh, this thing is incredible. Oh, if you've got a tight hip flexor, check one of these out. All the equipment that I use in all my workouts, there's links in the description of the video, so check it out. Oh. This is the most intense psoas release. Oh. God, it gets in there. Ooh. Ooh. But I've got super tight hip flexors, so that's something that I need to do more of. Oh, there we go. All right. Now I'll do my ankle mobility. These two exercises that I'm about to do are really, really good to help with ankle mobility. And if you do it daily like I do, you don't need to do a lot, 30 seconds on the stretch, maybe 20 or 30 seconds of this mobilization work with the massage ball. And then I just do a loaded stretch for the ankle, or for the calves, I should say, for ankle flexibility, ankle mobility. I just hold this for 30 seconds. This is a really good, especially when you do it straight after the ankle mobilization with that physio ball. This is a really, really good ankle mobility exercise. Because this is my second workout of the day, I don't need to do like a really big warm-up. It's not the first time I've moved today. So any kind of movement that I'm doing right now, like, moving around, getting on the foam roller, this is stimulating blood flow. It's sending the signal through my nervous system and into my muscles that it's time to work out. So everything's waking up. But this isn't the first time I've moved today. And because I did my flexibility, handstand, hanging, and flow workout this morning, my body's, tuned in, ready to go. So just a few activation exercises. All right. That's coming along nicely. That was 20 seconds, so see if I can get last workout I did 20 seconds, but that was a deload workout, so I did both sets 20 seconds, but we'll see how I go, because I'm getting close to being able to progress to the next progression, and I'm able to maintain good retraction, which is what matters. So, good times. Micro, like millimeters of progression with calisthenics. People often don't understand it's not just about getting a rep range that you're aiming for in your program. It's about getting full range of motion with a movement like that, or like a split squat like what I'm about to do. Alright, so I'm on to the supplementaries now. This is a tiring workout. So I did 5 sets of my primaries and I did pretty good today. I didn't film it all today because I'm in a bit of a rush. We're going out for a family dinner and I've got to try and get this filmed and edited before we go. It takes time to set up a camera all the time, so I just filmed it. I just filmed the first 2 sets and then did the last 3. But I did really well, and that was my first set of the supplementary, so I'll do 2 more of that, and that'll be it. I thought I was going to get 7 there, but there was no chance. As soon as I started pulling, I could feel there's no way I was going to lock it out. So I record 6. Got to be honest.